How to download or install app from Safari on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download apps from Safari on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to enable few settings. That is, for just head over to your settings first, and after you're on your settings, you'll need to scroll down until you find screen time. Tap on it, and after you open up your screen time, simply go to content and privacy restrictions and turn it on if it's not. After you do that, you'll need to head over to the setting called your iTunes and App Store purchases. Head over there and make sure that it is on don't require and everything else is allowed. After you do that, you can head back, and after you're there, make sure that you have the Safari app. You can get it from your app store. It's already pre-installed on your iPhone as well, but you can also search for it on your app store. So search for Safari and simply download the app. After you download the app, what you can then do is you can simply head over to your Safari and simply search for any app that you want to download. So as you can see, this is Snapchat. Now I can download Snapchat from my Safari as well. And that's basically how you can download and install app from Safari on iPhone. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.